snow?
Yes, yes, yes. Oh yes, oh yes.
Later, the coffee gets cold. Later, people grow old. Later, life comes to an end. And the sad truth is, later often becomes never.
We're here, Southern Ohio, Forest Rally. Get a lot of...
Look who's back, competing against Travis Pastrana. Sorry, Travis. I hope you like that lower step, buddy.
You're not there 100% with the car. It's a tricky rally to show up to. Yesterday didn't really go to plan. Stupid mistake.
I'm so sorry.
Midnight, the quickest and fastest WRX ever from Subaru Motorsports USA, designed to dominate on tarmac at the hands of Scott Speed. Under the hood is a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder boxer motor producing 670 horsepower and 680 pound-feet of torque, and a car that weighs just 2,469 pounds and revs to 9,500 RPM. The Boxer is paired with a SIDEV 6-speed sequential transmission, which sends power to all 4 wheels. This WRX also features a carbon fiber body, rally-style spoiler, OZ Racing magnesium wheels, Alcon brakes, rework suspension, and more.
Just has to ensure he doesn't lose his 5-second advantage. Or worse, throw it away entirely. Through Cragway Corner and into the High Alpine. The narrow road is a challenge for the car. It's the widest car Subaru has ever run here, and Travis must drive corners that were straight-lined in the past.